Pregnancy brings along with it a lot of things to worry about, but diet must not be one of those. Dr. Manjeet Arora tells us what should be the diet of a pregnant woman.
Pregnancy is a wonderful experience. The moment a woman becomes pregnant, first concern comes what I should eat, how much I should eat, what all I should avoid. It is a common myth that when a woman becomes pregnant that she is supposed to eat for two, though it is not true. The pregnant woman only needs 300 calories extra for the baby development while she is pregnant and 600 calories extra when the baby is born for lactation. The diet should be well balanced. It should include cereals, it should include proteins, it should include vegetables, fruits, source of vitamins and minerals, plenty of oral fluids, milk 2 times, curd, source of calcium, and other things which she needs to. If she is a non-vegetarian, she can take egg, she can take cooked meat, and certain type of fishes should be avoided as they are known to carry bacteria and pesticides. Whereas women who are vegetarian can take pulses, they can take vegetables, and they can take paneer or soya or rajma as a source of good protein. Since constipation is very common in pregnancy, more emphasis should be on drinking at least 8 glasses of water and high fiber diet. And otherwise, whenever they are taking fruits and vegetables, they should be nicely washed. The vegetables should be cooked, peeled, and even fruits. These days, since pesticides are there, they should be nicely washed and peeled and taken. Source of water is also very important. They should take boiled water which they can make it cool. Even though it is a filtered water, it is recommended that a pregnant woman should carry her own water bottle wherever she is going and avoid outside water. It is recommended that up to 200 milligram of caffeine, which is there about in a cup of coffee, they can take, but one should avoid smoking and alcohol intake as they cause the effects on the babies.
For more videos related to pregnancy and health, log on to onlymyhealth.com.